Hi guys, welcome back. Here is a tutorial on how to apply my customized press-on nails. Each set comes with a kit that includes an alcohol pad, an orange wood stick, a nail file, sticky tabs, buffer, and nail glue. First, I'm going to start off by pressing back my cuticles, and this is pretty much so I can remove anything that is blocking my nail tip to glue on there. And just very carefully and gently push them back. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the natural nail shine with the file that is included in there, and try not to over file your natural nail like I'm showing you guys here. I'm going one side, don't go like that how I showed you. Just remove it one side, and I'm sorry I got off the frame, but just carefully remove the natural nail shine, and this file isn't so rough so that it won't hurt your natural nail. And we're just removing it, anything that's excess on there. Now we're going to clean it with one of the alcohol pads. And that's pretty much it. You can also shape your nails if they are not shaped. Now we're going to go ahead and apply glue on the bottom portion of the nail tip. Careful not to apply too much because then it can pretty much spill all over. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it close to the cuticle and just press. Hold it for like maybe 20-30 seconds very tightly, making sure everything is covered because you do not want any air bubbles or anything that is not intact. And there, after a couple of seconds, they're all good. This is another method where you can put glue onto your natural nail. It is kind of a little bit scary just because you do not want to put glue all over your skin. So just be very careful with that. Like you saw, I got kind of stuck because I overdid it on the glue. But just press it, hold it, and you are set for that one. Just make sure you do it on all of them very carefully, guys. These sets do last a week, 2 weeks. Totally depends how well you take care of them. I lasted a week and a half with mine, so I'm pretty rough with my nails. So it all depends on how well you take care of them and how you glue them as well. So be careful with prepping your nails too, because it matters. That's why it's really good to make sure you prep the nail good and apply the glue good and all throughout the nail, and make sure you press on it so everything is intact. Another thing that I would suggest is putting glue on the bottom of the nail. If you flip your hand over, if there's a separation between your nail and the fake nail, then go ahead and add glue in there very carefully, obviously not to glue your skin, and you will be set. If you guys are interested, guys, definitely direct message me, and look how natural they look. You can't even tell that they are press-on nails, guys. They are so nice. Now, after I glued both hands, I'm going to go ahead and hydrate my nails with my cuticle oil pens. And these are available for purchase if you guys are interested. Look how beautiful these are. And I did use Envy and rose gold foil for this. I'll put everything in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you would like to see when I post new videos. Bye.